Dear students, I have decided to add a checklist sheet to the course which might be very useful for you when you are practicing the system. Simply you can print it or keep it on your monitor or on a tablet phone, anything that would be beside you while you are trading. This way you will make sure you don't forget any of the important things in the system. So let me zoom it a little bit and I will go through it very quickly. As well, I will attach it to this lecture and you can download it and use it. Personally, when I'm trading manually, I use such checklists for any of my strategies. I put them beside me on a piece of paper, and this way I am sure that I won't forget anything about the strategy. And even I've been trading with this system for a long time, I still look at this sheet every time I open a trade. So I decided to share it with you in this course. The first thing is to place the important levels on the market. These are the important support and resistance levels. After that, with the Dow theory, you should look on daily chart and decide whether you are in an uptrend or in a downtrend, whether you will be buying or you will be selling. The third point is to draw counter trend lines from the recent highest high if you are buying, or from the recent lowest low if you are selling. So you need to look for the counter trend line which you will use. 4. Draw the Fibonacci starting from the beginning of the trend, as I have shown already, and below are the numbers that I use. 5. Look for a failure of the recent high or for a failure of a recent low. This is the first sign that will tell you to get ready for the trading. This is what we are looking for. This is the warning. So we are looking for failure of a recent high when we are selling, and we are looking for failure of a recent low when we are buying. 6. Use exponential moving average cross 8 and 21 for the 16.6% entry. And one more time, I will make it clear, this is percentage of the whole amount you are planning to trade, not from your account. Okay, so if you want to trade 1 Bitcoin, then with the EMA cross you will open just 16.6% of this 1 Bitcoin. Alright? 7. Use break of the counter trend line for the 33.3%. 8. Use the break of the recent high or the recent low for the rest 50%. And something probably I didn't mention in the course, these percentages, they are not because of the order of the entries, but because of the importance of each entry condition. Okay, so the break of the recent high or the break of the recent low is the most important thing because it confirms the trend on hourly chart. Then we have the break of the counter trend line, and then we have the exponential moving average cross with 16.6. So basically this is how I arrange them according to their importance. 9. Place the stop loss after the first entry. So after you open the 16.6, immediately you need to place a stop loss. 10. Move the stop loss only when the recent high or the recent low is broken. Don't hurry to move it before that. 11. Take profit for the 33.3 with the envelopes, and you have the parameters. 12. Take profit for the 50% trade with the Fibonacci target 2. 13. Trail the stop loss for the 16.6% as much as possible. 14. If new entries come along the way, take the chance. I have shown that in the course that if you are trailing the stop loss for the 16.6% and you have a new setup, just use it. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope this sheet will be useful to you. I'm happy to share it with you so you will be able to look at it whenever you are practicing the trading system. Cheers!